Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to split screen on Android. So when you see the three buttons at the bottom of your phone, you will see right here, you need to tap on the very left part, which is this one, and you will see all the apps that are opened on your mobile device. Now, to use this split screen, for example, I will use this calculator app. I just want to tap and hold this application right here. You have an option, but you must tap on the split screen icon. Now right here, as you can see on the very top of your screen, the calculator application. Now, if you want another application to use, you just tap on the YouTube app right here. And you will see I have now two applications in one screen. I can use a calculator while watching a movie on the YouTube app. And I recommend to use a landscape mode on your phone so you can see it properly. Now, if you want to change the application, just tap again that button. And for example, I want to choose this Google Chrome right over here. Now, if I want to exit this one, I just tap the black line right here on the middle and swipe it up. So that's how you basically use this split screen on your Android device. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.